Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation for this 2016 GMC Sierra. We're doing LEDs on the headlights with car workbox, LED lights. So let's get to it. So these LEDs, they're 20,000 lumens, 6500K, 130 watts, super bright. And for this 2016 GMC Sierra, they're gonna be amazing. I'm gonna show you the before and after, but I'm gonna put them on one side so you can see the difference. I'm gonna start with the driver because it's easier. I'm gonna put it on the driver's side, compare to the passenger halogen bulb. You're gonna see the difference between those two. And installation is super easy on the driver. On the passenger, you have to remove the airbags. So let's get to it. Okay guys, if you can see the installation, cable is on top, but we're gonna be able to put everything inside and close it. Okay, for the passenger side, I think I showed that process on the GMC Sierra when I put the yellow lights. It still have the yellow lights on, but same process. You just have to remove the intake box. You have to remove this brace, 10mm. You remove these clips, 10mm underneath, and then you remove the box. You can disconnect the sensor, remove this little clamp, remove the screws around, and you can remove the whole thing. Set it on the side, remove this cover right here, and you get to the light. Same thing like on the passenger side. I'm gonna do that. I don't need to show you. Like I said, I'm gonna put a video when I test some LEDs right here on that Denali. But same process. You just have to remove the whole thing, put in your light, close it, put everything back together, and should be done. So let me change it, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. And I'm gonna wait until it gets dark so you can see how bright they're gonna be compared to the old ones. The old ones, they're really dim lights, you can't see at night. With these ones, game changer. So let's get to it. Okay guys, it's still really bright. It's not dark yet. I already removed the box, but before I do the swap, I'm gonna show you how it looks, the halogen against the LED with the high and low beams. So like I said, you just remove the box and you got the access to the light. It's really simple, but let me put the camera away so you can see the difference. Those are the brights, definitely day and night. Compare the halogen with the LED. And I'm gonna put the low beams and high beams again. Okay, so now let me swap that side. I have the LED here ready. I'm gonna swap it and we're gonna go for a ride once it gets dark. The good thing on these housings, we have plenty of room for everything. So you can put everything inside. Once you have everything inside, just close your light, close the housing, and installation is done. I have to put the box. And I don't know if I said this before, but these LEDs are 9012, designed for this GMC Sierra. For the Denali, It's about the same year. I think this is 2015, that one is 2016. That one needs H11s on the headlights. This is 9012. But anyways, I'm gonna put a link in the description of this episode if you need LEDs for this GMC Sierra. Okay guys, as you can see, night and day, they're super bright. Unfortunately, I cannot show you on the road how the halogens look, but you already know how halogens look. And for these LEDs, their own projectors is gonna be better than reflectors. This is just way different, better, super bright, high beams, low beams. It looks really good. So there you have it. These LEDs, 20,000 lumens, they're gonna be super bright, so I can't say anything else about them. They're really good. And now that it's raining, it's just ideal for the video. It looks perfect. It looks super bright, so it's gonna be really good. Yep. Illumination is just unbelievable. You can see everything on the road. I'm gonna go back, finish the episode because this is perfect.